This is how we can create multiple charts and present as our story. We can have like how many professionals there. Hi guys, welcome to another series of learning Excel from basics to advanced. So today here we will learn how to convert CSV file into a text format in this Excel. So here we have this Excel sheet, and what I'll do, I am just going to show you how to insert the data. So here you can see I have one data which is downloaded in the CSV format. So first we have to go here in the home tab, data, then get external data. So external data from where? From text. If you have data from web, you can get it from web directly, like a Google search, from Access, or from any other data source like SQL or MySQL, any relational database if you have. So I'll click on this from text. Then what data you want? So we will take market analysis as of now. So in the market analysis, what we will need to do, it is in a CSV format. CSV is in separated by comma sheet. So click here in the import. You can see this, it is comma separated. So click on this delimited itself. Then next, then select this semicolon. So we will click on the semicolon. So if we click on the semicolon, it is removed, right? Then click on next, drag this cursor till end, and then shift, then click here. So it will convert in the text. You have to select the text format, then finish. In this sheet only, yes, click OK. Now your data is ready to use. So what we will do, we will first clean up our data. We will check if there is any duplicates, if there is any blank spaces are there. So we will remove those first. This is our heading, first line. So we will highlight it as a bold. So I have converted into bold. Then I'll select the complete sheet. Again, it will be on data only. Then we will click on the remove duplicates. If there is any duplicate, we will remove it. So no duplicates found. Just cross check the data if you have any blank spaces. So for that, you just drag it till end. In the files, whatever files required for you, like it's a unique ID, I need this for my data. So guest list, I'll just select it. It is also have values, how much revenues we get from this. So this is also having values, but see we have blanks here, so we will remove those blanks. Simply go to the top, unselect all, then scroll down, select this blanks alone. Select from this row till end, then right click on this list and delete the rows. So now our data is clean. We have to work upon the guest, revenue, and this unified ID. So for that, we will select this complete sheet, insert, and create a pivot table. In our last video also we discussed how to create a pivot table. So select the new sheet. We have the pivot ready. So today we will learn how to analyze this pivot in a chart format, and after creating charts we will create as a dashboard. So dashboards, like we are creating it on Tableau, Power BI, Looker. So similarly we can create the same kind of dashboard in Excel also, and it is very easy to do that. So here we will come down. We have to work upon the guest list and the revenues what we got from the guest. So what we have done, we have bring month and city in the filters, columns into the host type, like this host type, what kind of professionals or singles or owners came to our hotel. So we have taken it into the columns, and unified IDs, what we have, whatever we have assigned to them, and count of guests, how many guests appear with that ID. So it's a corporate data. So we have a lot number of values. Here we can see the filters in the month, like 2 months our hotel was occupied, and the city, Big Bear City, Lake, Joshua Tree, Yucca Valley. These are the hotels. So we can select the multiple values as well if we want to. As of now I'm selecting this only. So now what we will do, we will click here alone, pivot table analyze. You can see now here we have pivot chart. So we will click on this, and what kind of charts we can prepare. So choose correct, easy and simple chart. Simple chart as in which can portray your story in a simplest manner to the hiring managers, because they will not going to click each and every tab, or this is like having thousands of values of data, so they will not go a single row by row data. So create your dashboard in a way that they can understand easily by just seeing it. Bar only, click OK. Here we have our data, so I'll just put it, can copy it as well. Open a new sheet, just name it as a dashboard and paste your chart here. So we have our chart here, and as of now you can see it's kind of little messy. So we will just unselect few things. Units we want only for the professionals, how many professionals have booked our hotel. So this is the line for that, and in which city. So city also will select only the Joshua Tree. If I will select the unified ID only for this one, then we can see the details. Create one more pivot using this month, so month, and count of this month also. So for this we will create a pivot chart that is a line chart. To showing any two values or a trend, we will select only line chart. So with that we will get to know like how many months our hotel is occupied, and like it will be in increasing order. You can see more than 3000 times. This in 2022 to 8 it was higher, and 2022 to 2 also it was higher. So we'll copy this and I'll just add it here only, which is dashboard. We can see what kind of data labels we want also. We don't want the accesses here. We want a trend line. For that we can edit our data as per our choice. Similarly for this, so here we have pasted our data. You can select it. If you want to format, you can format it from here, like size or rename any sheet. As of now I'm just showing you how to create it. So let these filters be here itself, as we are having filters in Tableau dashboard. So here we will be having in this sheet only, and what we will do, we will select the complete sheet and then mark it as blank, or we can have a light color for that. So now we can arrange it as we are arranging into our dashboard, Tableau dashboard. This is how we can create multiple charts and present as our story. We can have like how many professionals be there. This is the filter alone here, and counts. We can have multiple charts here similarly, and we can add them here, like pie chart we can create with 2-3 values, and histogram we can create. So it will look as a dashboard only. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you want to learn next in Excel from basics to advanced. So thank you for watching this video till here. Thank you.